everybody, it's your boy Omar Sahur and we're back in Omeezy's kitchen. How you guys doing though? Man's missed y'all, man. It's been a couple of weeks, let's say months, since we've interacted with each other, since I've been able to cook for y'all and that. You know what I mean? But it's calm. Man's dealt with what I had to deal with. It's cool now. It's all about the cook time. You get me? Hey, I'm playing now, but yeah, I just had to deal with some stuff. But we good now. I got some shrimp Alfredo. I got some shrimp curry for y'all today, because we still in Indian month, but we good, guys. Let's get it. Spices you will need for the shrimp curry will be black pepper, ground turmeric, curry powder, bay leaves, and some mustard seeds. Voila! You will also need 1 lime, couple of garlic cloves, 1 white onion, red pepper, and ginger. If you have fresh ones, it's better to use it. I don't have it, that's why I'm using the spice version. You will need coconut milk as well, guys. And that's it for the ingredients. So you're going to need some extra large shrimps for this dish, as it may feed a couple of people. So guys, add all those spices together. Add some olive oil to it. And mix them all together. And this is just going to be, season it, marinate it. And I'm just going to let this sit while I cut my onions and garlic. So I'm just going to chop them up and dice them into small pieces. And then we'll start the process of making this curry. Yeah. I'm going to put some garlic on first to the pan, just so you can have a little bit of taste in the oil on that. And then I'll add the onions and then shrimp. So guys, after you add your onions, add a little bit more olive oil. So guys, as you can see, I have added the shrimp to this, and it is just simmering right now. I'm just gonna let it simmer for a while, and then I'll add the coconut milk. So guys, next you will add some coconut milk to this. I will just add a whole cup in there. Make sure to give it a good mix. There we go, guys. Voila, the finished product of a shrimp curry. Yeah. Nah, that's just the finished product, yeah. So shrimp curry. And it is finally over. The show, Omeezy's Kitchen, first episode back is done, guys. What I had for you guys today was some simple shrimp curry. Guys, thank you for tapping in. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for everything that you do. But guys, if you do got, requests or anything that you'd like to say or let me know that I can make better for the video, just let me know. Add me on Instagram at Omeezy's Kitchen and let's get it. I got a surprise for you next week.